In exercise 9, we're still working with the axis tool, and we're actually inserting an equation. So if we double click on the axis tool, we'll have a dialog box come up. We go over to the graph tab. Okay, now it's set up a standard equation for you, y equals x. What we're going to do is we're going to change that to y equals x multiplied by x, which is actually x squared. Now if you look the multiplication sign, you actually have to push shift and the number 8 key at the top. Okay, there's no point putting the x multiplication sign because that's just like an x. So shift and 8 is multiply. Okay, I'm going to put minus 2. I can't just put 2x, I have to put 2 shift 8 to multiply by x. So the equation we have is x squared minus 2x. Let's just push the add button, brings it over here to this column, and click OK. There it is. Alright, if we double click on that again, we can go to the graph tool. We can actually update this equation. I might put 3x there, and click the update tool, and OK, and there we go, it's 3x. Alright, going back to the graph tab, we can set our line color. I may want a red line, and we can set where we want it to graph from and to. For example, if I only want it to graph from -1 to 3, I can set -1 here and 3 in this box. Okay, then you'll notice it'll go from -1 until 3. What we can also do is set the area underneath the graph that we want to color. For example, if I want to color from 0 to 2, this is all on the x-axis, so between 0 here and 2, it will shade this region, color it. We'll color it yellow, and we can also calculate the area under that region if we want to. Okay, and there it is there. It tells me the area is 3.33 square centimeters. Okay, so just capping on that, double click on the axis tool, click on the graph tab. You can type in your equation in here and simply click add to add it. If we want to add another equation, for example y equals x, we certainly can. We can make as many equations as we want here. We've also got sine, cos, tan, etc. that we can add as well.